Hello there, gorgeous. I previously did a video on one of the Temu blow dryers, the air wrap, and I had a request for a little more detail regarding this product. So that's what this video is all about. If you want to get a product very similar to the Dyson or the Shark, this is an option for you. I'll have everything listed and linked below. I hope that this is helpful. Let's get into it. This comes with the air wraps. It comes with a round brush or flat brush. It comes with a direct shot. What is this? And it comes with a diffuser. I'm gonna go ahead and speed you through just blow drying my hair. I think I'll use this brush attachment for that. Now, some of the questions about the buttons. As you can see, here is the power button, and then you have the fan and the heat. Here is the lock and unlock to slide the attachment in. So when I hit the power, it's a holding count to 3. So when I press the fan, now I'll press the heat. I believe that the blue blows a little cooler. I keep it on red to keep it on high. Let me go ahead and run this through to get my hair dry. Now, could I have blown this out smoother? Absolutely. I was just lazily blowing through it because I know I'm going to curl it. So I just unlocked, pulled that out. The barrel that I like, that I use for both sides of my head, when I'm looking at it, the arrow is going counterclockwise. I put a little bit of dampness back in my hair, just using the sink, and let's do it. All right. I'm going to hold a small piece, hold this here, and you'll see that it wraps. And go all the way up to my head, and then I'll count to 10. Pull it out, not hot, and drop. You see that? Isn't that amazing? Do it again. Small piece. Go right in the middle and let it wrap. You can hold it here to make sure that the ends go around. Hold it up. Count to 10. Taking small pieces is key. You don't want to take big hunks of your hair. Now here's one side done. I do think it helps not to touch it for a while so that it can start to set. If you go to pull on the curls, they're not going to hold as well. So now I'll show you how I turn my arm to do the other side. All I'm going to do is turn. I've let it cool a little. I flipped upside down and just scrunched it a little. And now what I'll do is I'll just take a little baby. This is the Verb Ghost Oil, weightless. I like it. I'll put a little bit of this in my fingers. Just spread it around and just sort of smooth through the hair. And honestly, touched up hair using this product looks even better than fresh hair. I just got out of the shower, and I find that day 2 looks even better than day 1 hair. So I guarantee I will like the way that my hair turns out even better tomorrow. So I'm just running through any pieces that look a little bit frizzy. This oil does a nice job. It does not weigh the hair down, and it does smooth it out. So here is the finished hair. Again, we'll have this linked from Temu down below. Do I like it better than my Shark? I can't say that I like it better. but I like it just the same. I have my Shark downstairs, I have my Temu product upstairs, and I use them both. I appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.